Hello and welcome to Follow My Tracks. I'm Brooke, and if you've been here for a while, you'll recognise me for my Central and South America content. I have, however, been back in the real world for the last year and still trying to get as many adventures in alongside the 9 till 5. Not much annual leave left for this year, so I'm going to be spending the next 3 nights in Wales and you're coming with me. We just got here. It's so cute. And then playing cards. What's these? Welsh cakes. Views. And the hot tub is ready for us. You can't really tell from this, but this is a blood moon and it looks so pretty.
This is our third date.
We've been on the go for about 2 hours now, but the conditions have changed quite a lot. We've had to fleece up and put the hats on. We think we've got about an hour left, but we'll see. So this is the miners' route here. We have come on Pig, but it's reaching the point now where it joins up here. We are 5 minutes from the end. The conditions have changed so much. It's so windy, so foggy, but it's not that busy despite all of these people walking past me right now, and we're very close. We're just on our way back down now. There wasn't much of a view from the top. Well, there was no view at all, but it was still really cool up there. It wasn't that busy, and now we're just about to make a hot chocolate on this rock and look at this view. Ready to rumble?
Ready to rumble. Our hiking and our buggying down the mountains, and now we're going to go find a country club and country club and head back to the Airbnb.
everyone. We forgot to record at the pub last night, but it was the cutest old country pub with actually unreal homemade food. I'll put the name on screen, but it was so good, and it was like a 5-minute drive from our cabin. Then we came back here, had a bottle of wine, sat in the hot tub, and then we were going to have an early night, but we still didn't go to sleep till like 1, but we didn't wake up till 11 today. We're just having a coffee, and then we're going to go back to the same pub again for lunch, and we found a waterfall that's like a 25-minute drive from here, so we're going to go see what that's like, come back here, and then we have our last activity this evening, which is the kayaking across the aqueduct, which has been on my list for ages, so I'm really excited to see if it's actually good. We've come into Llangollen, which is only 10 minutes from where we're doing the kayaking. It's got a bit cloudy now, but it's still nice and warm. We'll go for an ice cream, a wander around the town, and then we're going to head to the kayaking. We just found the cutest pub called the Cornmill, and it's all alongside the river and it has all little benches along. And what was that big wheel in there for?
It must have been a mill at some point.
A mill. It was really cute.